First step is we're going to grind 2 cups of oats into a fine flour. And transfer your 2 cups of oat flour to a bowl. And I'm going to blend my bananas up real quick. So this takes 2 bananas. Okay, got those nice and creamy. And then it takes a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Let me know in the comments if your dog is a peanut butter lover. And do you use it to hide their medicine in? We're just gonna liquefy this, and then I'm gonna add my flour back in. While I'm doing this, I've preheated the oven to 300 degrees, and I've also prepped a cookie sheet with parchment paper on it. Starting to get that dough consistency going. Perfect. Okay, from the food processor to the rolling mat, I really didn't have to do anything. Had a good thick dough. So I'm just gonna press this out on the parchment. And because we want these to be a chewier biscuit, I think I'm gonna roll the dough out to about a 1/2 inch thick, maybe a little less than that, because we do want them to bake soft and not crunchy. And then I do have some whole wheat flour just to dust it a little bit. We don't want them to come out too crunchy. We actually want them to be soft. So this is just to help get them out of the cutter. Okay, let's get it go. That would be Dallas getting a drink. It's too funny. She is a little Hoover in the kitchen. If I don't have to worry about dropping anything, and if it's something she shouldn't eat, then I'm very vigilant. But you know, sometimes mommy accidentally drops a little cheese, wink wink. But she doesn't get table scraps. She smells the peanut butter in this. She can't wait to try them. We'll have her do a taste test here in a little bit. So I'm just taking them out of the cookie cutter. I apologize for going off camera. And then just putting them out. Dallas also gets carrots. She actually looks for them when I get home from the grocery. She checks the bags and looks for the greens and knows what's attached to them. She likes green beans. And again, I don't give her table food. It's usually fresh fruits and vegetables. Apples are a big hit. Of course, all in moderation. And that's what we've got going on so far. And we just repeat the process. Little update on what we got so far. Coming along. when I have to leave the house for long periods of time, I put on a dog YouTube channel. Do you do that? Dallas is very fond of squirrels and birds. And she has a thing about seagulls, oddly enough. She's just really in tune with their squawking. Oh, and the biggest thing that ever freaked her out, that big purple monster on, I think the movie was called Me, or It, with Ryan Reynolds. Oh my God, it was hilarious. She about lost her you know what over that.
The first tray is done. I think we're about to roll out our last batch.
Oops, gotta get a hold of it. All right, Dallas approved. Special shout out to our furry subscribers, Luna, Little Cujo, and Cinnamon. You know who you are. And if you think your dog would demolish treats like these, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any. And drop their names in the comments so we can mention them in the next video. Lip smacking good treats going on here. See you on the next one.